RV hacks that save money, genius tips from seasoned road warriors. Imagine this: the open road stretching before you, the comfort of your home on wheels trailing behind, and the promise of adventure at every turn. RV life is the epitome of freedom, but let's face it, it can also be a bit heavy on the wallet. Fear not, intrepid explorers. We've gathered a treasure trove of ingenious RV hacks from the most experienced road warriors out there. These aren't just tips, they're your ticket to maximizing fun while minimizing expenses. Get ready to feel like you've struck gold, because these hacks are about to revolutionize your RV experience. 1. Embrace boondocking. The ultimate freedom. Boondocking, or dry camping, is not just an adventure, it's a lifestyle. Wave goodbye to campground fees and hello to the wild. Solar panels and a good water conservation strategy can turn the great outdoors into your personal, cost-free campsite. Imagine waking up to unspoiled views, your family's laughter echoing in the wilderness, and your furry friend bounding around, all without the constraint of a checkout time. 2. Become a gourmet camp chef. Ditch the pricey eateries and become the master of your RV kitchen. With a little creativity and some multi-use kitchen gadgets, you can whip up gourmet meals on a budget. Think one-pot wonders and campfire delights. Not only will you save a bundle, but meal prep also becomes a fun family activity. Share stories over homemade pizza or s'mores, and watch as these moments become the highlights of your trips. 3. DIY maintenance. A skill worth learning. Why pay a premium for something you can do yourself? Basic RV maintenance skills, such as changing the oil, fixing a leak, or replacing a tire, can save you a fortune in the long run. There are countless tutorials online that can turn even the most hesitant novice into a confident DIYer. Plus, there's a certain pride that comes with maintaining your home on wheels with your own two hands. 4. Smart packing. Less is more. Overpacking is the enemy of space and fuel efficiency. Adopt a minimalist approach to packing: versatile clothing, multi-purpose gadgets, and just enough toys to keep the kids entertained. This not only frees up space, but also improves your gas mileage. Remember, every extra item is an extra weight, and every extra weight is an extra penny spent on fuel. 5. Membership magic. Unlock exclusive discounts. There's a whole world of memberships designed for RV enthusiasts like you. From national park passes to RV club memberships, these golden tickets offer discounts on camping fees, attractions, and even fuel. The initial cost is a mere drop in the ocean compared to the savings and exclusive deals you'll unlock. 6. Stay longer. Pay less. Many campsites offer significant discounts for extended stays. If your schedule allows, consider setting up camp for a week or more. Not only does this reduce your per-night cost, but it also gives you the luxury of time to explore every nook and cranny of your surroundings. Plus, it's a chance to truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the local culture and nature. 7. Network with fellow RVers. Never underestimate the value of a good chat with fellow road warriors. RV forums and campgrounds are goldmines of information. Swap stories, share tips, and you might just learn a few tricks that could save you a bundle. These communities are also great for trading books, gear, and even babysitting duties for a much-needed parents' night out. The bottom line: the road less traveled doesn't have to be the more expensive one. With these savvy hacks, you can stretch your budget further without skimping on the experiences that make RV life so enriching. So go ahead, plan your next adventure with confidence, knowing that you're not just saving money, you're also creating priceless memories with your loved ones. And remember, every dollar saved is another dollar towards your next grand adventure. Here's to feeling lucky, smart, and ready for whatever the road throws your way.